Is this folding table bench easy to install? Does it come pre-stained? And what are some things that you should know about this before you decide if it's right for you? Well, it does come pre-stained. It is already water resistant. You can see here it had rained this morning and you don't need to worry about that water damaging the wood or anything like that. You can see here the table is easy to adjust. It can hold up to 180 pounds. You just simply need to, it does lock into place so you can actually pick it up, and then it flattens out to where it's a 3-seater, and then if you want to pick it back up, it turns into a 2-seater bench with the table. So it does assemble very, very quickly. Only took me about 15 minutes because I just had to put on the sides. I just have to screw those on. Does not take very long at all. Don't really think you need anyone to help you unless you just want it to go even faster. But overall, this assembly was a breeze compared to many other things that I've assembled before in the past. Definitely been enjoying this, drinking coffee, eating our meals out in nature, and just enjoying our time out on the patio. So give us a follow here at Basic Reviews for more products and exclusive deals, and I hope you have an amazing rest of your day.